Guys, welcome to Creative Soft and Flipkart have ruined the unboxing experience of this Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'll tell you why. Because over here, Flipkart have added this particular two seals, guys, just because of this open box delivery, and it's not fun to unbox this device anymore, which is just costing more than a lakh. And I feel we need to do something about it, and Flipkart must have done, this just to protect its users against security and all. And sometimes people were having issues and all. I get this, and it's a great move also by Flipkart. But again, this could have been better because I just have to remove these pool tabs later on, and it is not so fun, guys. And trust me, Google also have not done a great job when it comes to unboxing, because now there is this the additional flap which I just have to remove, and as you can see, even I am struggling with this kind of unboxing experience. So if you are from Google and you are listening to this, please improve the unboxing experience because it's not way better than iPhone anymore. And as you can see, this is the hazel color, and this is the best color for the 9 Pro XL in my case. And they are just giving a charging case. I mean, just a cable, and I'm not getting a power brick. So again, guys, I have to order the power brick from Google, anyways. So basically these big companies, they are reducing their footprint, but the end user have to buy the charging cable separately, which according to me is going to cost them additional box and additional packaging just to ship those things. And let me know in the comments below what you think about not giving the power brick and just giving the cable. In that case, guys, the companies can even remove the directly the power cable also. I don't mind, because if you all are going to bundle it, I'm not going to bundle the power brick, then what's the point of having the cable as well? And as you can see, guys, over here, the setup experience is good of the Pixel, and I'll just be adding some default value like pin and all, and later on setting up, and I'll be having a complete review of this particular phone, guys. So for now, I'm just keeping all this, and let me know in the comments below what you all want to see, and I'm just going to address all my issues also, and how was my experience in setting up. So let me just put 0 over here and set this up, and maybe I can just skip this fingerprint also. And overall, guys, the first experience of this Pixel 9 Pro XL is great, and I'll be installing the Graphene OS on this specially just to test out if it is way better or not. And I just heard that in forums and all that the temperature sensor is not working with Graphene. Let me see that and also address that. And again, Flipkart, according to me, you all should definitely improve these unboxing experiences. And open box delivery doesn't mean just you all can just add some 2 3 flaps, because those can be removed as well and applied as well. So I hope this is a message to all the big companies who are removing the charger also, because at the end of the day we are just paying some 3,000 4,000 extra for getting the charger anyways, and again, it's not going to help planet earth. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it, and subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it.